All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the weekly preview for February 27th to March 3rd, 2023. So important announcements, on Monday, I have office hours 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. On Tuesday, there is no live class due to MAPS testing. And then Friday, my office hours again are 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So it's Q3, week 6. Monday, we will analyze how Hitler and other dictators expanded their power around the world with the CYU, The Origins of World War II. Tuesday, there's no live class, but you do have the lesson American Neutrality with the key terms there: Neutrality Acts, Lend, Lease, Aid, and Atlantic Charter. Wednesday, we will understand how the United States got involved in World War II with the key terms embargo, Pearl Harbor, and infamy with the lesson The Day of Infamy. Thursday, we will recognize how persecution started against Jewish people with the key terms Nuremberg laws, Kristallnacht, and ghettos with the lesson The Holocaust Persecution Begins. And then Friday, we will identify the horrors of concentration camps during the Holocaust with the key terms Holocaust, Final Solution, concentration camps, and the lesson The Holocaust, final chapter. Have a great week. Please reach out with any questions.